Hello, and welcome to the Intelligent Health Pavilion at HIMSS 2018, where Extreme Networks is the official network and analytics provider of the entire Intelligent Health Pavilion. We're about to take you on an exclusive tour through each room in the Intelligent Health Pavilion, where we'll show you how we are helping to connect all of the technology.
We're here today in the OR room, and what we have here is really a mock-up of the OR. We have all these connected devices in here. We have the PAC system, we have video recording, we have patient monitoring, we have x-ray machines. All of this is connected by Extreme Networks. And the importance of this is being able to have these ORs and surgeries transmitted to colleges and classes for learning, and also to be able to capture all of the information and transmit it across the networks to other facilities. And Extreme is bringing this all together and providing the network services for the wired and wireless infrastructure within this OR. We also have the ability to secure all these devices with our Extreme Control and analyze the traffic that's going across the network with our Extreme Analytics.
One of the trends we're seeing in the healthcare industry is a realization that patient care is very much tied into their overall experience inside of a hospital. Taking lessons learned from a sister vertical in the hospitality industry, it's become clear that providing a strong guest Wi-Fi experience is part of that mission-critical services being delivered to the patient inside of a hospital today. It's interesting because what started off as a nice-to-have feature, we're now being told is like oxygen. They can no longer live without it because of the expectations of a patient and their family coming in for an extended length of stay. Using everything from a smartphone for just FaceTime or Skype for video conferencing and communicating at home, to passing the time while you're waiting, watching streaming video services from the providers and all of that. It's become mission critical from the patient standpoint as to what they're going to experience when they're inside of a hospital. Besides guest Wi-Fi services in a hospital, we're also seeing a strong demand inside the organizations to provide more education directly to the patients while they're here. So we're seeing it leverage the technology of moving away from just television services at the bedside, but being able to provide meal ordering services, education on your post-discharge care, instructions on how to take care of yourself with regards to your new conditions related to that care, and moving forward with how to better provide a more educated patient before they leave the hospital.
We're in the ICU room today, and what you're seeing in here is connected devices. We have patient monitoring systems, and really patient monitoring systems are one of the more difficult products that we deal with in the wired and the wireless world. Because of the criticality to the patients, we can't drop any packets. So as a result, these multicast packets have to traverse the network and be seen at the nurse's station. Typically, anytime packets are lost, nurses get alerted, and it's very critical that we get all those packets there. We do all of our certifications to try and make sure that all of our equipment is certified with the different patient monitoring systems. So whether it's Masimo, Philips, Draeger, Space Labs, all of the different patient monitoring systems that you can find in a hospital today. Extreme Networks is providing the foundational network of both wired and wireless in this room. We have infusion pumps, we have the patient monitors. We provide control within the network in order to make sure that none of the devices in this room become vulnerable to any outside interferences.
I'm here to demonstrate today the challenges of providing smart hospital technologies inside of a legacy hospital environment. Oftentimes it's requiring additional network infrastructure cabling, enhancing sporadic Wi-Fi coverage, and providing advanced services around location-based communications for asset tracking and control and integrated nurse call solutions. At Extreme Networks, we designed a 3912 wall plate AP in order to enhance that patient experience by putting the technology directly where it's needed, next to the patient in the room.